Hey guys, I thought I would post a little video about how amplifiers work. Now I work in the cable technician field, so I figured for people who are looking into it or tired of their cable provider coming out because of signal issues, or you think you might have signal issues, this is called an amplifier. This particular one is from UST, but the way this works is your signal that's coming out of the wall plate goes right here on the input. All right, this requires power. So if you're putting it in your house, you're going to have to, this little white box here, and there is a power adapter in here. And this power adapter is kind of odd. You see it plugs into the wall, but it has a cable end on it. So you plug this into the wall, light turns green, and you run a cable, which you can buy from just about anywhere, from here to right here where it says power in. Once you have your in from the wall plate going into here and your power from this going into your power in, then you're good to go. Now, let's say you have the TV, a cable box, an internet modem, all behind the TV. So once you took care of those first two things, you can plug those into any of these, in my case, 8 ports. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these. And once you plug them in there, the signal will remain the same. Now, I know it's kind of complicated, but basically every time you use a regular splitter and it takes one and splits it to 2, or it takes one and splits it to 3, there's many different types of splitters. Every time you do that, you're lowering the signal. I don't have one in front of me, but if you look at the splitter, it'll say in here, and it'll say -5 and -5, or -3.5, -3.5. You're lowering your signal every time you split it. So what this does, it eliminates the negative part. So now if it's coming in at a signal of 5, out of all of these ports here, it will remain 5. And this one does it on the transmit and the upstream, which means basically to the normal person, the same input you're getting out of the wall is the same thing you get to every device you have hooked up to this. As long as you have this into the power, and you, on this particular one, you'll see a blue light right here, letting you know that it's powered from the wall, from this right here. And you have the in coming from the wall going to this port, you will be good to go. Now, I just so happen to have a fully functioning one that I have here, just to show you what it looks like. So here is mine, and that green light is the box I was telling you about that has a cable cord, and it goes right into this slot right here, which gives it, will turn on the light like I told you. And I have my signal coming from the wall going to the in port that feeds this amplifier, and then I have my devices that I'm actually splitting off to, which are this white one, this one, and this one. So that's actually how you use these amps. Now, even though they're called amplifiers, what they really do is just stop you from losing signal. So you're not gaining any signal with this, but you aren't losing any either. Regular splitter, you're losing. This, you lose nothing. So just a FYI video. I figured I'd teach you guys. If you have any suggestions or anything that you want to ask, just ask it down in the comments. Figured I'd start taking the channel in this direction, since this is what I work on each and every day and I have the most experience in. So, till next time.